So check it out. Here's something a little different than what I've been doing. This is a K-Line Southern Pacific S2. I think that's the Black Widow livery that it's in. And I paid probably a little more than I should have. I paid 40 bucks for it. But the shell was in really nice shape and the frame. And so when I got it, it had one power truck and the front was a dummy truck. And they said it didn't run. Well, I figured out in a hurry why it didn't. The board was missing. They just had the DC motor wired directly to the track, so they could have used a DC power pack, made it work. But anyway, I had a bunch of parts that a friend of mine I got from an estate sale from working on some other trains for them they gave me. So I put a new front power truck and replaced the dummy truck. I also had to replace a missing traction tire on the one that it did include with. And I had a rectifier board for it, so I put that in. I also don't like the way the K-Line did their headlights, so I took out the little fiber optic or whatever piece it is. It doesn't really work that well. And I put a 5mm 19-volt LED in there. It fits right in the hole. And I use a little fun tack right up in here to hold the wiring and hold it in place. So I got it all set, and it's amazing to me how well these things pull for as light as they are. Also, K-Line didn't put a horn in some of them, so I'll probably find a Marx S3 horn and put that in it. So let's take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. You can see it's pulling quite a long train. And we'll pick the camera up this time around, kind of follow it around a little bit. So the dual traction tires, and of course K-Line had some extra weights in there too. It makes a pretty good performer. It runs really smooth. So as I think about it, I guess it wasn't really too bad an investment. I probably had about $50 total in it, so to have one complete and running, I know these are usually going for like $80, $90, $100 on the bay. Interesting to me too that I don't find a whole lot of K-Line stuff at train shows, at least not their engines. People hold on to them. Find a few other cars, but all right. So it runs great. Just really neat that K-Line was able to continue to use the Marx molds. I'm not sure who has them. I think RMT, the last I knew, we're still using the Marx mold. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.